Hello, so we are back, yeah? Same Monday, and we have a job. We have a Toshiba laptop, Toshiba Satellite C660, yeah? That's the model. And the problem with this one is no picture on the screen. So we can see the lights here, here, yeah? So when you press the power button, let's press the power button here. Press the power button. The light is on, we can see the green light, but there's nothing on screen. So that's the problem with this one. Yeah, you can see. What? Okay, that's sick. Actually, this picture, I just see now on the camera, was there writing on the screen? So actually, this picture, but no backlight. Can't believe it, and I booked in the job, so I was wrong from the beginning. Okay, let's try and clean the screen. Maybe we can see better. 1 second. Okay, so we can see some writing. Here you can see. So it's no backlight. So it is picture and backlight have nothing to do. Yeah? So are two different things. So we can see the picture, so actually we know the laptop is fine, the graphics and everything, but we don't have backlight. Okay, so I'll power off and I will not go inside of the laptop. I was thinking to open the laptop. Okay, let's open the screen side, yeah? Now let's see what can be wrong here. Can be a loose connection, or can be, no, can be, can be the screen itself, like the backlight to be gone, the LEDs from inside of the screen. But we don't know yet. Let's see. You have plastic clips on the cover. Okay, the cover is out. Let's take out the screen. The screen seems to be original. Well, you never know. The first thing what you have to do, don't take out the connector or plug the connector with battery inside, yeah? Don't do it. So take out the battery first, yeah? And unplug the connector after. Okay, what I will do, obviously I will unplug the battery. I'll take out the battery. The battery is out, and I will try first, yeah? Just a easy thing. just unplug the connector and plug the connector back. Many times this can fix the problem. Just unplug the connector, plug it back. Now let's test one more time, yeah? I'll plug the charger. So in this way I don't need to plug the battery. So let's see. And we have backlight. So you see how a simple thing can fix the problem? So we have backlight but we don't have picture. How this come? Okay. So I suppose the connector, we have some oxidation here. Well, let's clean it, yeah? Let's clean and see what happened. Yeah. Let's try one more time. Okay, plug this back. Let's try one more time. On. And we have picture and backlight. You can see. So it's working fine. Now I'll put back the screen. So don't get these things wrong, yeah? I know we are doing more complicated things here, yeah? Repairs. But in the way how the YouTube work, yeah, it's based on the tags, on the keywords, yeah? So maybe someone has same problem, you know? And he's typing the model number on the YouTube and my video pop up and he can see how his problem can be fixed in an easy way. So it's not necessary like always tie the screen the screw from the hinge, yeah? It's very important. So it's not always like bad, how bad, like I booked in this job, like, you know what, this is not, it's nothing on screen, but actually it was pictures. I just see now it is picture. And yeah, was nothing broken, was a connector with a connection issue. So the things can be more simple than how you think. You think actually are more complicated, but the things are simple. Okay? Now we can put back the plastic. The screws. And we are ready. Okay? Yeah, you'll see on the picture the screen flickering, but that's because of the refresh rate. But actually the screen has no issue, it's not flickering. Yeah, I was thinking it's a motherboard issue, you know, where we have some graphics or something, but it's not in this one. This was only a backlight problem. Okay, this was an easy one. Then we have the plastic thing. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. Hopefully my video helped you to fix your laptop. And see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.